Checking and replacing the engine air filter in a Subaru.
Open the driver's door. We're going to go ahead and pop the hood. Now I'm just going to open it, put the propper up, remove the mass airflow sensor connection, take a flathead screwdriver, and start loosening the air hose. Remove the engine air filter box clips. And now we're going to go ahead and push it forward, and we're going to take out the engine air filter. Nice and clean. Replace this every 30 months or 30,000 miles. Look for the up arrow, make sure it's facing towards you into the ceiling, and start placing it down into the engine air filter box. Could be a little bit tricky. It is a little bit of a tight space. Go ahead and secure it. Go ahead and put the engine air filter clips on. Be sure to check the alignment of the engine air filter box. You don't want any air escaping from this air box. Begin tightening the engine air filter hose with your finger, and then torque it up with the flathead. And now reconnect the mass airflow sensor, and you're good to go.
Let me know what you want to see next.